Hello friends, welcome to the H1 Result Updates series by students of Profit from It family. Myself, Dr. Davasa. I'm radiologist from Patan, Gujarat, and I'm member of Profit from It family since June 2020. Today's topic about presentation is H1 Result Updates of Pidilite industry. Before starting H1 Result Updates, I would like to congratulate Mr. Piyush Patel sir and Chintan Dalal sir and whole Profit from It family for achieving International Fame Award 2021 for Best Stock Market Learning Institute in India. Now about specialty chemical sectors. It has total 96 listed companies. Out of that, 14 companies are responsible for 80% of total market cap. These 14 companies are Pidilite Industry, Aarti Industry, Atul, Fluorochem, Solar Industry, Alkylamine, BASF, Laxmi Organics, Balaji Mines, Galaxy Surfactant, Phenol, Jubilant Ingravia, and Clean Science. Friends, total market cap of this specialty chemical industry is 4.03 lakh crore. And out of that, 37% is contributed only by Pidilite Industry. And the value is 1.2 lakh crore. Other few companies with reasonably good market cap are Aarti Industry, Atul, Fluorochem, and Clean Science. Now about sales, friends, total sales of this industry is around 60,000 crore, and out of that, BASF is leader in sales, but it is again an MNC company. And the second highest sales is in Pidilite Industry. It is around 6,000 crore, which is Indian company, and this amount is almost 14% of total sales of industry. Few other companies with reasonably good sales are Aarti Industry, Atul, Fluorochem. Now about profit. Highest profit is noted in Pidilite Industry. It is around 1,081 crore. It is 23% of the total industry's profit. Few other companies with reasonably good profit are Atul Industry, BASF, Aarti Industry. Now about interest coverage ratio. Interest coverage ratio of Pidilite Industry is 11, and highest interest coverage ratio is noted in Alkylamine and Atul, which are 63 and 60 respectively. Now about return on equity. Return on equity in Pidilite Industry is 21, and highest return on equity is noted in Balaji Mines and Alkylamine. The values are 36 and 29 respectively. Now about net profit margin. Net profit margin of Pidilite Industry is 17.4%. Highest net profit margin is noted in Alkylamine and Balaji Mines. These are 23.7% and 18% respectively. Now about debt equity ratio. Pidilite Industry is almost debt-free company. Highest debt is noted in Aarti Industry among these 14 companies. Now about compound average growth of sales and profit. Compound average growth of sales since last 10 years in Pidilite Industry is 8.3%, and in Pidilite Industry and profit is 13.3%. Highest compound average growth in sales is noted in Alkylamine, and highest compound average growth in profit is also in Alkylamine. Friends, out of these 14 companies, Pidilite Industry and Atul Industries are reasonably good companies. You can choose them for your portfolio. Now about Pidilite Industry. Pidilite Industry is pioneer of adhesive technology. It is incorporated in 1959. Pidilite Industry is a leader in specialty chemicals sector in India. It has various range of products. Out of these various products, the popular, or you can say top brands are Fevicol, Fevicol MR, Dr. Fixit, Fevikwik, Emsil, Fevistick, Hobby Ideas, and Fevicryl. Few other brands like Motomax, Rove, Rangila, Terminator, Steel Grip, Fevigum, this Woodfin, Glue Drops, UsePro. These are the another products available in market. These are also reasonably popular. It is various solutions for so many industries like in textile industry, adhesive technology, wood finish and paints, then about tiles grout, waterproofing solutions, automotive and woodworking. About sales. Friends, in 2001, this Pidilite industry has sales of around 500 crore and which has increased up to 7,000 crore in 2021. About profit. In 2001, this Pidilite industry is doing profit of around 48 crore and it has increased up to 1,081 crore in 2021. It is almost 17% compound average growth, and it is 23 times in 20 years. Now about net profit margin. So in 2001, net profit margin of company is around 9%, which has increased up to 15% in 2021. Now about reserve. Reserve has increased from 190 crore in 2001 to 5,500 crore in 2021. Friends, let's see about current trends. First of all, about sales. So at the end of 9 months in previous year, sales were negative and values were around minus 12%, which has increased at the end of year from minus 12% to 0%. Friends, this negative and unchanged figures we are seeing due to COVID pandemic, because due to COVID pandemic, this almost sales was zero. In Q1 or first quarter of this current year, sales has increased from 0% to 121% due to low base of this previous 2 quarters. Again, in H1, sales growth is approximately 65%, which is reasonably very good. After considering this 4 quarters sales growth, we may presume that at the end of this 2020-22, sales growth might be around 30%. Now about net profit margin. In 9 month, net profit margin was 16%. At the end of this 4th quarter of previous year, net profit margin was 15%. Again, in Q1, net profit margin was 11%. And in H1, net profit margins growth is around 13%. So we may presume approximately 14% of margins growth at the end of 2020-22. Again, about profits, at the end of this 9 month or 3rd quarters of previous year, the profit growth was negative. It was around minus 15%. At the end of previous year, it has improved from minus 15% to 0%. Again, in Q1 of this current year, it has tremendously increased from 0% to 1,275%. And again, in H1 or Q2, it has increased. This value is around 59%, which is reasonably good. So after considering all these 4 figures of previous 4 quarters, we may presume approximate profit growth of 25% at the end of this 2022 years. Now about sales and profit, future estimation of sales and profit. After considering 12% growth, after considering 12% growth, approximate estimation of sales 9,400 crore in 2022, approximately 11,500 crore in 2025, 20,000 crore in 2030, and approximately 35,500 crore in 2035. Now about future estimation of profit. After considering 12% of growth, we may presume approximate profit of 1300 crore in 2022, 1700 crore in 2025, 3000 crore in 2030, and approximately 5200 crore in 2035. Now about future estimation of EPS and fair value. Friends, after considering average PE of 44, this I have presumed the approximate EPS of 23 in 2022, 33 in 2025, 59 in 2030, and 104 in 2035. Now about fair value, or we can say intrinsic value. Approximate fair value of this stock might be around 1000 rupees in 2022, 1475 rupees in 2025, 2600 rupees in 2030, and 4500 rupees in 2035. Friends, let's see about major cost. Major cost is contributed by material consumed by the industry, and it is around 57% in 2022. And second portion is contributed by employee cost, and it is around 14%. Material cost has tremendously increased as compared to previous years data. It has increased from 42% to 57% almost. Now about shareholding pattern. So friends, I have taken data of 2001 and 2021. So promoters have almost 70% of total stake. Mutual fund has increased their stake from 2.9% to 4.2% in 2021. ACPI and this foreign institute investor has increased their stake from 7.7 to 11.78%. Financial institution and banks have increased their stake from 2.3% to 2.8%. Retail investors have decreased their stake from 15 to 11%. Friends, this is a technical chart of Pidilite industry since from 1995 to till date. You can see the prices increased gradually from almost 10 rupees or 1 rupees to towards 2,400 rupees. In 2006, it is given 1:10 split, and in 2010, it has given the 1:1 bonus. So those who have invested into this 2000, their one share have become 20, one share have converted into 20 shares. And now about this 50 days, 100 days, and 200 days, 50 days, 150 days, and 200 days exponential moving average. You can see after 2008, stock has never touched its 50 days exponential moving average. So it's continuously railing towards this 2,500 figure. New buying can be done near 1,500 with a short-term target of 2,500 rupees, and you can hold it for multi-year rally. It has already given 200x return since IPO listing. It has converted investors 1 lakh rupees into 2 crore. After 2008, it have never touched 50 EMA. Thank you, friends. It's a student's presentation, and you can take your advice from your stock market advisor. Thank you. Thank you, Profit From It family. Thank you, VS.